I'm going to teach you how to use Carding app to sell your gift card at high rates in this video tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Click on the like button to like this video and also share it for more people to see after you finish watching. This is how it goes, guys. You can see Carding. You can see Carding. Go to your Play Store and Apple Store and search for this application called Carding. Download it. After you download it to your phone, open it. Do you understand right now? Open it. And after you open it, you can see it's going to look like this. Click on any option down here and it's going to show you this option. You can see login with email, login with Google, and you can see down here, not yet register, sign up. Click on sign up. It's going to show you like this. Do you understand right now? You can see email, phone number. You can decide to register with your email or your phone number. Do you understand right now? You can use phone number. Click on phone number. You can use email. Do you understand right now? If you want to use phone number, select your country first, which is Nigeria. You can see phone number. Put your active phone number here. Do you understand right now? Make sure you put your active phone number because you are going to receive code with it. And you can see verification code. Leave it first and jump to where it says password. Do you understand right now? Write your password. Make sure you start with capital letter. For example, let's say Godwin. Add number at the front of it and any symbol like this or like this or like this at the back. Do you understand? Then repeat that password here. You grab, and the next thing is to enter your invitation code. Make sure you use this invitation code, guys. You understand? Although the invitation code is optional, but if you use this invitation code, they are going to reward me and they are going to give you a welcome bonus of 3,000. But if you didn't use it, you are not going to get a welcome bonus. Do you understand right now? So I will say, please use it so both of us can get a bonus. Do you understand right now? And after that, after you put this invitation code, go back to where it's a verification code. You can see at the front of it, you can see send. Tap on that send and they are going to send code to your phone number or your Gmail, depending on which one you use. Take that code and put it here immediately before it expires. Click on sign up and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now let me log in and show you how to use Carding app to sell your gift card at high rate and how you can withdraw your money to your bank account. Let me log in, guys, and we continue. Guys, this is my account. I've logged in right now and you can see this is my balance of 8,000 naira. Now this is what you are going to do. You can see sell. Click on sell. You can see category. Click on category. You can see choose the categories of gift card you want to sell. This is everything. You can see Amazon, Apple, Steam, Razer Gold. Now let's say we want to sell Razer Gold. Razer Gold. You understand right now? Choose the country of your gift card. Let's say my gift card is a US card. Do you understand? If it is UK, choose UK. If it is Canada that card, choose Canada. The balance of your gift card, let's say my gift card is $100. I'll write $100 here. The next thing, let's say my gift card is physical card. I'll click on physical card. Physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store. Code is a gift card that someone purchased online on websites. That is e-code. They are just going to send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is e-code. Physical card are the common gift card. Do you understand right now? And the next thing you are gonna do, leave the rest like this and enter the gift card, the code of your gift card here. You can see enter the code. Enter the code. Please enter the code. This is the place you are going to put the code of your gift card. And after that, you click on sell. And if you have the image of your gift card on your phone, you can leave the code option and click on upload image. Upload from gallery. Click on upload from gallery. Then choose the image of your gift card and upload it. After you upload it, click on sell. And in a few seconds, your card will say success, and that means you have sell your gift card, and your balance will be available here. Your balance will be available here. Do you understand? The next thing right now is to withdraw your money. Do you understand right now? To withdraw your money, this is what you are going to do. You can see up here. You can see this three line after my name segment. You can see this three line up here. Click on it, and it will show you option like this. You can see wallet. Click on wallet. You can see add bank card. Click on add bank card. When you click on add bank card, they are going to give you option to select the bank you are using. All the banks in Nigeria are there. Select the bank you are using. Put your account number and click on submit. You can see my OPay is here. Do you understand right now? After that, come back here and click on withdraw. Then write the amount you want to withdraw out of your money, and if you want to withdraw everything, you are good to go. You are the owner of your money. After you write the amount you want to withdraw, click on confirm to withdraw, and sharp, your money will deliver to your bank account. Guys, this is how to use carding app to sell your gift card at high rate. Do you understand right now? Like this video and also share it for more people to see. If you have any question, write it in the comment section, guys. One love.